Welcome to EGM Securities, our daily update. I've got Calvin with me today. Calvin, we saw quite a big break in the dollar yesterday. Came down, people were buying up riskier assets. I saw a big rally in things like the Rand. Talk us through what you saw.
Actually, yes, that's true. Most of the market, they tend to, yesterday they were all quite bullish. They moved quite big time up. The reason was basically because of this US dollar index, because there's this rumor that Trump may postpone implementing of this tariff war between US and China. So in the event, if it comes true, then there's no point of buying the dollar. That's why people have started liquidating most of their dollar and going into risky asset like gold. That's why we can be able to see from this index yesterday, there was a big drop actually.
Yes, because it had come here and it's kind of not gone through 94.
Correct, correct. So basically the moment it dropped below 94, we just knew most things like gold will go up, S&Ps will go up. And I guess that's true when you look at the gold chart.
Yes.
You see, gold, it has been stagnating around this region. It wasn't able to break 1205 level.
Yes.
You can remember since Monday it was coming at that particular region and bouncing back. You can see this here, yes, and also here. But yesterday it was able to break 1205, 1207. It was also another significant level. And today it was able to hit 1210. So from yesterday to today, gold have made a good move on the upward, simply because of people are selling their dollar, buying the gold. So that's one of the major reasons. So today, basically, you might see a few people trying to liquidate because it's Friday. That's the reason as to why we are having this small correction. But generally, gold looks bullish on the upside. But still, I'll emphasize, the news is not yet out. It's just a rumor. So let's wait on Monday. If Trump will implement, it will still affect the market. We'll see people buying more dollar and selling more gold. But if in the event it doesn't implement, we'll see people selling more dollar and buying more of gold. So let's wait until Monday.
You're not chasing anything at the moment?
I'm not chasing anything at the moment. On the China side, you can look at the copper. You remember what? You
were saying that there was good support. You liked what you were seeing.
Correct, correct. Actually, simply because you remember as this war between Trump and China keeps going on, China had already come up with a strategic plan. As the war continues, they'll focus on the infrastructure. And you are looking whereby China will push the price of the copper up. So you can see the trend is continuing. And yesterday we were able to break the Fibonacci 23.6. And from this particular chart, you can see this is a good entry region to start going long. The same thing while I was still saying on Monday, it was a good region to start going long on the cable, of which if somebody had gone long probably on Monday, right now they will be liquidating some good money. So the same thing, they can try to capitalize on copper market. Yeah. Oil will still oscillate around this region 79.
Yes.
It doesn't want to go down, it doesn't want to go up. But the key thing is, you remember Saudi Arabia, they wanted to push the market around 80 region because that's where they are comfortable selling their oil. So I'm looking to that particular point where they'll push the market to around 80, to around the price of 80 per barrel. But still, let's wait on the next month, because until that sanction for the Iran get implemented, we can be able to see Saudi Arabia, they'll now take almost the monopoly, despite we are having US and Russia being among the biggest producer, but they can be able to control that and push the market to around 80 zone. So at this particular time, it will still oscillate between 78, 79. So it's a good zone for you to keep scalping as we wait on November for it to go above 80.
Calvin the scalper.
At the same time, long-term trader.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Welcome.